I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right. Welcome back to another episode of The Trigger Man. I am your host, Trigger Man. In today's video, we're gonna be going over some tools that were sent out to me, but not just any tools. Very, extremely affordable tools, okay? I mean, affordable. And we all need affordability right now, okay? So, first off, what we have a electric DA sander. This is made by Vivor, okay? Has the power button, Okay, first thing you need to do, download the Temu app. New app users can purchase one of your favorite products at a super low promotional price. How do you get it? Simple. Download the Temu app, then in the search bar, put in the code KCU3599. That is your promo code. Put that in the search bar. Just as simple as this. Go in the search bar, put the code in, hit search, and it's just as simple as that. Now, if that's a little too difficult for you, what you can do is in the upper right-hand corner of this video, there's a QR code. You can scan that, and that'll skip all of the foreplay and take you right there, okay? So if you're not too familiar with the app and how to do things and navigate through things, go ahead, scan the QR code in the upper right-hand corner. That QR code will be up there the entire video. So at any point you feel like, this is something I might want, feel free to scan that coupon code and you'll get your $100 coupon bundle, okay? Fast, low, high, low, you know what I mean? Like that, okay? Also, what I like, it has a release so you can store the cable and this side by side. That's pretty cool, because one thing you don't want to do with tools that have power cables on them, when you go to store it, most people do this. You'll wrap it up, and what that does, it puts a constant pressure on this here cable, and it goes bad a lot faster. So being able to take it apart and store it, that's real cool. It has on here the 6-inch hook and loop Velcro, and they also give you the 5-inch. Okay, 5 inches your thing, then you go with that. Also has the vacuum setup, so if you want to vacuum, if you got one of those fancy garages and you don't want dust everywhere, hook this up to your shop vac, and dustless sanding. Then they also have these here sandpapers. This is 120, but they have a variety, 320, 220, 180, everything. And these are the sandpapers that have like a net, so it works good with the vacuum. So while you're sanding, it's vacuuming everything through the sandpaper. I personally have never used these. I've seen them, and it's pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do there. So we got a fender out front we're gonna sand on just to try this thing out. Up next, we have an 8-inch flexible sanding block. So if you're gonna be blocking filler, if you're gonna be blocking primer, and you have something that has like a contour, and you're just sanding, this here seems pretty cool for that. Very hard plate, but it also flexes for those contours. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna try this on the fender as well. Also comes with a little adapter here. I'm not sure if this is for water or vacuum. I would assume vacuum, but I'm not exactly sure. I'll try to read on it before I do the voiceover just to get an idea, but I don't know right now. Either way, pretty cool. Then last but not least, we have these little hard sanding blocks. This is DMS. These are very similar to the Kovacs blocks, which are very popular throughout the industry. I have like 3 of them. I have this size and I have a 4-inch, and those things are expensive. I'm talking like 25, 30 bucks just for this little thing. With Temu, it's a steal. It's a steal, okay? You're gonna get, they got sandpaper, 2,000, 1,200, 1,500, 1,000, And even the sandpapers, when you buy the top brands, I mean, it's for a little pack like this, it's like $45, very expensive. So this is an affordable option for you guys. Sand out some nibs, runs, but they're very, very popular in the industry. Been out for a while, but we're gonna try this as well on the fender. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead out front and sand on this here fender. I don't like to do any sanding in the spray booth, so we're already in the dungeon. So we're gonna go outside and sand. So I'll catch you out front.
Trigger man, bro, what are you doing still using this Temu stuff, bro? Come on, Trigger. I thought we made it past this, man. You say I wasn't gonna be doing this little cheap stuff, bro. Man, you got electric spray gun, electric sander. This guy, man. Look at this thing. Man, you're doing this just for the DIY guys, man. I know why you're doing it. You know? It's no way in heaven's earth, bro, you would be doing this if it wasn't for trying to look out for the DIY guys, man. And guys with no air compressor, it's like, this is, oh, second speed. Oh, you turn up the speed, Trigger. Yeah, for the guys with no air compressor, like this is perfect, bro. Electric spray gun, electric sander. Oh, 3. Trigger putting the juice on that ass. Alright, Trigger. I'll let you go ahead, bro. I know you're looking out for the DIY guys, bro. Look at this blower this guy got, man. Everything you do is barbaric, Trigger. Alright, bro. I'll check in with you later. Spray on, brother. Spray on.
Okay, so you see the block sander goes around, contours, curves, good. If this fender had any dents in it, that block would have picked it up. You would have seen the little shiny spots still there, those type of things. Okay, I wasn't blocking body work, but again, if you have dents in a panel, you want to block it. Shiny spots will highlight what you have there if there's any dents. This spray gun is actually a gun that was sent out to me earlier this year from Temu. Okay, this is their lesson spray gun. So I figured I would just throw it up on the screen just in case you wanted a little cheap $50 spray gun. Gives good results. I did a 3-stage white pearl job with it earlier this year. Came out great. Then again, you know, when you do white vehicles, white is going to look good with any gun. So I figure we'll give it a try with black. Okay. Again, this isn't part of the coupon bundle that you get here, but hey, it's still something that they offer. I had it in my drawer. I figured why not? And a lot of these products that we have over here, like those sanding blocks, those little small sanding blocks to denib or take out runs, they're crazy expensive here. I wish I would have known about these Temu blocks back when I bought mine. And I'll show you at the end of the video. I have 3 of those. I have 3 blocks, different sizes. And they were all like $25, $30 per block. So I'm going to add a little drip here just so you can see, you know, the next day I'm coming and I'm going to block it out with the little blocks, but just to give you a realistic idea of how these things work. Okay, so what we have here, the DMS sandpaper 1000 grit, that's what we're going to start with. Okay, you can do it dry if you like. I don't like it dry, I like it wet. So what I use is the same cleaner, the anti-static cleaner, water-based cleaner that I use. It gives a good glide, slippery, wet, sands easy, and cleans at the same time. Yeah, and that's with 1000. Then after the 1,000, we're going to go up to 1,500. They also give you a 1,200 in the kit, but ain't nobody got time for all that. We'll go from 1,000 to 1,500, and that's fine. But now 2,000. Yeah, but if you like to throw in the 12 and do the little small increment, you can. See, you can go circular, you can go up and down, you can go circular, zigzag. It doesn't matter. Just keep the block flat on the panel. Doesn't really matter. What's most important is that you keep the block flat. Now I went a little OD with compound. It was still early, meaning I wasn't awake. It's early, and it was 43 degrees, I believe it was 43 degrees in the booth. So yeah, I went a little overboard with the compound, but you get the idea. Again, that's single stage, so that's why the black is on the pad. So the products work, man. Products work. Great deal. Electric sander, sanding block, little small sanding block. You see, no trace of the run. Looks perfect. Those little blocks are really good. I mean, I use my razor blade as my go-to, but after that, if not, I would definitely use these. See, these are the blocks that I have. I have the 4-inch and I have a couple of the little small ones, and they are the same. They are identical. Okay, I'm speaking to you guys from experience. I have them, you know, the expensive stuff, and it's the same exact. So why pay $25, $30 for those little blocks when you get it right there for $11? You dig? So again, just a reminder, new app users, you get one of my recommended products for an ultra low price. Just grab your phone, download the Temu app, enter the code KCU3599, or you can scan the QR code on the screen right now. Also, don't forget, all Temu app users can claim a $100 coupon bundle. Please check the description box in this video for details. Want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully some of the tools help you guys out there. Hope you enjoyed the show, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.